Today we're going on a little adventure and we're doing the Shi Shi trailhead walk to the beach, and we're gonna take you along the way and show you this hike. When you see this, this is the tribal members stripping it to make cedar baskets. Strawberries are in season. Those are ready to eat. That's a good one. There we go. There's a strawberry. Those are really good berries. This is me compared to this tree. It's huge.
I need the whole entire branch. Mom? Is it really that good? Yeah, these are good. Or it's just a mulberry level. Can you help?
So there's a fork in the road. Do not go left. Go right, say Shi Shi. See, trails get real muddy here. So make sure you wear some boots. Mud bogs. This way. What are you doing, kiddo? Oh, first obstacle. Tree down. So she's just kind of with ease. A fork in the road. Which way are you going?
I don't want to move.
Okay. I'm going up high. And you could probably hear the ocean from here. It's down there. Look at this little girl's feet. Oh my God. So I have to go get my daughter's shoes. And this is going to be interesting. We're going to see how this works. No, I'm getting them. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, this is so gross feeling. This is so gross feeling. Oh. We got one.
Throw it that way.
No, there's another one
Right behind you.
Oh no! Look at that!
So I am ankle deep in mud to get my daughter's shoes. Yep, I deserve America's #1 dad.
Yeah, that is. Why did you walk through that?
Oh,
I don't want to go left or right, so I just go straight.
Yeah.
That's interesting. Grab your shoes, kiddo. Let's start walking. So if you didn't know, we're on Washington State's coast, and the top of the top of the coast is a rainforest, and we are in that rainforest, and that's why we have these old growth trees, and that's why in August it's 60 degrees and very muddy. So yeah, we live in a very beautiful area with a lot of cool things. Muddyfeet.com. Yep, that's our new website, muddyfeet.com. You can get personal pictures of muddy feet. So this is your first vantage point when you're on the Shi Shi Trail to see the ocean. Oh, it's a nice overcast day. There's a trail down.
I put my feet in the pot, and like mud started coming out of the holes.
So we are on top of the Shi Shi trailhead, and now we're gonna walk it. So come join me as we go down. It's pretty. You get it? No, sorry. Downstairs. There's two ways. You go that way. There's a bunch of camping areas over there. Little rope swing. And then we go this way to the beach. And you are at Shi Shi Beach on a nice foggy day. I'm gonna attempt to climb the top of this rock. Hopefully I see you up there. It's not that bad so far. I'm almost there. That was well worth it. I climbed all the way up to this view. Take a breather. It's a steep one. Yep. This is definitely one gigantic climb. We gotta reach way up there. Going down was easy. This is tough. And we're at the top. Very, very steep. Make it back. We're gonna make it back. We'll make it back. Oh, it's so tired.